Why do many IVF fails? Most of the pregnancies are not. Embryology isn't a magic. We stop taking patients after 25 cycles per month. The secret of IVF success. After spending 17 years in an IVF lab, I have discovered a shocking truth. Most of the IVF fails not because the treatment didn't work, but because nobody explained them and analyzed them why it failed. I want you to imagine a couple gets married like any other couple, and then 6 months, 1 year passes, and their friend starts announcing pregnancies. And they also think we will also one day become parent and hear words like mama, daddy. And they think their friends got naturally pregnant, they will also get naturally pregnant. And they wait for it. And then family, friends, relatives, they also start asking, when are you going to give a good news? With every function and festival, it became more difficult, more painful. Every person, every couple around them starts giving pregnancy news. And then their friends starts talking about their babies and their baby experiences, and they feel left out. Gradually, they started avoiding functions, and one more year passes. Now, their life is revolving around the ovulation app, blood reports, Google searches, and finding another doctor. Now, here is something that may really surprise you. After spending 17 years in IVF lab and making babies, I have learned something that most people never knew. Infertility doesn't destroy the hope. It is the confusion that destroys the hope. Different doctors, different opinion. Some says IUI, other says IVF. Some says surgery, some says no surgery. Some says take a donor and other one says no donor. And then you feel frustrated and confused. And you decide to take a break of 6 months. And while they reach to a decision, most of the pregnancies are lost because time flies. I want to tell you about a couple. Their names doesn't matter because this story could be yours. They have tried for 5 years. One failed IVF, one miscarriage, thousands spent, dozens of injection. But what bothered them the most was, do you know? It was not the money. It was not the failed transfer. It was not even the injections. It was the question, why anyone didn't explain to us this would happen. When they walked into Fusion, they weren't looking for another IVF package. They were looking for someone they could finally trust. Hello, I am Nehal Nayak, Surat's one and only Australia Monash University certified embryologist. For the past 17 years, I have dedicated my life to the profound journey of making embryos and watched them transforming into babies. Throughout my career, I have been privileged to work with more than 9,000 couples, and I have crafted more than 1 lakh embryos. In this duration, I have helped thousands of couples to achieve pregnancy. However, my success isn't defined by these numbers. I knew that every embryo that I made was someone's deepest dream. So I committed my life to make the embryos at the utmost level of precision, love, and care. With a holistic approach to heal the body and mind while optimizing the sperm and egg at the microscopic levels. My mission is to build the legacy of healthy generation, one embryo at a time. That is why I build the Fusion Fertility differently. Most of the clinics start with treatment directly. We start with understanding you, your body. We evaluate small things in details, and we evaluate everything which could hamper your success. We evaluate all sperm eggs, and also, if required, we do genetic testing also. So we remove all the guesswork which comes between you and your success. We never proceed with an embryo transfer unless and until we are 100% sure about your endometrium and your uterus environment and all your hormones. Treating without this level of detailing is like flying blind. We investigate each and everything which could come in between you and your pregnancy. People often think all the IVF labs are same. If they have the same machineries, they will give the same outcome. But this is the biggest misconception. An IVF lab is not just a room filled with machines. It is the most delicate environment on earth, and it needs most delicate environment on the earth. And believe me when I say this, your success and failures lies in that lab where no one is watching. At Fusion, we don't just maintain the lab, we are obsessed with it. While most centers treat embryology procedures as a routine technical procedure, but I see it as an utmost guardianship because every embryo quality and their outcomes depend on the stress which the embryo takes under the microscope or under the lab or under the incubator. Me and my team maintain the lab at the industry level of standards. We don't just meet the standards, we set the standards. We aren't just creating the embryos, we are creating your future families. Embryology isn't a magic. It is a combination of speed and precision at the same time. People often ask me, why don't you take more patients? Because embryo doesn't care how busy you are, and every embryo deserves attention. Every couple needs answers. We know one healthy embryo is better than many unhealthy. So we focus on that. We stop taking patients after 25 cycles per month because we believe growth should never come across the quality. Remember the couple I was talking about? Came to me, but this time no reports, no scans, with a big smile on the face and the baby in the hand. And what she said to me was the most precious line for me. She said, first time I found a doctor, a companion who walked with me throughout my journey, and the journey was comfortable and easy. And believe me, such lines from patients means more than success to me. The other story is about a patient who came to us from abroad, had cancer, no periods, and got pregnant at Fusion Fertility in first attempt. One more patient with genetic abnormalities. I did PGT and got pregnant in first attempt and delivered a beautiful baby boy last month. And many patients with PCOS got pregnant in first attempt at Fusion Fertility. And the patients who had low AMH, very low AMH, and was searching for donors found the donor registration and whole process getting the donor very easy at Fusion Fertility because we have our own sperm and oocyte bank. And even the patients with surrogacy found the process very simple and easy because we also offer altruistic service. If you have watched this far, probably you aren't looking for another advertisement. You are looking for answers. And whether if you choose Fusion Fertility Surat or not, promise me one thing. You will not go ahead with your treatment unless and until you understand why you are doing it. If you want us to review your reports and give you an honest opinion, book your consultation today. If we believe IVF is best for you, we will explain you why. Because we believe 100% clear and positive mind results into positive pregnancy. This is the secret of IVF success.